Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Margaret from Max Studios. Finally, summer break, no more school, more fun, more videos. Also guys, surprise, surprise, I dyed my hair. My dad made a big step for our independence and we got our first 3D printer. Now I will be able to print custom parts for my quads. So now I don't need to worry about how to mount cameras, batteries, antenna, and other equipment. I can also print the protection for my quads. Because we're new to 3D printing, my dad bought a printer that is easy and fast to assemble. He got it from Amazon and it delivered in one day. And he paid extra money for this. So just in case if there's something wrong or if some parts are defective, we can easily return it. Looking at the pictures online, I really like the design of this thing. And according to the documentation, it has black diamond platform, which helps to remove printed objects easily from the heated bed. It also has power failure protection, so just in case if you lose power, your project won't be ruined. So once the power gets back, you can resume the printing process. It also has LCD touchscreen. And after we assemble this thing, I want to test it. And check out my blog. Check my blog about all the other good features about this printer. Link in the description. Enough of talking. I want to see the parts. As you can see, my dad cut the box and he also printed a user manual for this printer. It did not came with it. And inside this manual there's a diagram, really detailed, and it shows where the parts are, where they're supposed to be, and there's a little bit of instructions, settings, how to set it up, print operation, and other stuff. So, okay, I'm gonna take this plasticine out, and let's see. So here we have a filament color white, 250 grams. Okay, this will be enough to print something. And here's worm tips. I'm gonna read it to you out loud. To whom it may concern, the product you purchased is a DIY kid machine based on responsible attitude for customers. We have done lots of tests before delivery. The joint of main body and base as well as nozzle has slight abrasion. We stress, this is a normal phenomenon. Won't affect the printing accuracy and artistic appearance. Please excuse this trouble. Thank you very much. And it's also translated in Chinese. Okay, so again, here's instructions, English and in Chinese. Quick instruction guideline. And so here are the parts of the printer. So here's the printer, here's the bed, and oh, I thought they were buttons. No, they're just pictures. Oh, so it looks cool. So now I will assemble it somehow, and we'll try to print something. I don't know. We might try print bearable gear. I think that's what it's called. Bearable gear. You couldn't make it. You could only 3D print it. So I want to try it out. I hope it's not really hard to print, and I hope it wouldn't take really long. So first let's just assemble, and then let's print something. So this is the base and this is the main body, and you just need to put the parts together, and here you go, you're done. It doesn't take long. I really like the color neon blue. I really like it, but I wish it was violet. It is really well packaged, and this is actually metal. It's not plastic, it's actually metal. So I'm gonna open this. So here's the additional parts in the toolbox for the 3D printer. So this is an American Power cable. I'm going to put it here. This is all the screws that you need for the 3D printer. Here's a warranty card. Okay. Here's the USB cable. We don't need it. And here's the spare nozzle. And here's the plastic to level the bed. And here's the SanDisk. Qualification card, certificate. And here's the wrench. I won't be using. Okay, let's start them. Let's start the assemble. Oh, and again, I really like the illustrations. It's really nice and cool. That's the box. We're back here, guys. So my dad is finished assembling. It took less than 20 minutes, but the box says that it's like much more longer and looks really nice all together. And this night we are going to try to print something. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Check out my blog for more information about the printer. Bye.